my name is Anna Campos, and I will be discussing the results of this observation. So, as Cortni discussed, we completed our results over a one-week period, and the reason for this was because by observing for more than one day, we knew that this would give us bigger numbers and better overall data. So just by looking at the graph, we could see that people prefer to use the elevator and stairs on specific days. For example, when we look here on Monday, more than double the amount of people took the stairs rather than the elevator. My assumption here was that since Monday is the start of the school week, there are more students on campus, which means that many will not want to bother waiting for the elevator, rather they use the stairs. Same goes here for Tuesday and Wednesday, where double the amount of students chose to take the stairs rather than the elevator. On the other hand, on Thursday and Friday, since these are the last days of the school week, we can see that there is a significantly less number of students using the stairs. And this may be because these days, especially Fridays, we consider lazy days. So there's less people on campus and more students present will want to use the elevators. This chart here gives us a visual comparison of the number of people who entered the Peters Business Building, and we also have one for the library. By not looking at this chart, we can automatically assume that more people will enter the library rather than the Peters Building because the library is more of a common area. And for our results, 665 people entered the Peters Building, while 5,613 people entered the library. When comparing both graphs, we can see that more females entered the buildings, both buildings. And this result may be because there are more females on campus than males. According to our most recent student demographics link at our school website, there are approximately 9,191 males and 12,790 females here on campus, totaling at 21,981 students. Individually, when we look at the Peters Building, out of the 665 students who entered, 58% of these students chose to take the stairs, while 42% chose to take the elevator. A big portion of these percentages reflect the fact that since there are many facility offices there at the Peters Building, many of these counts are actually the professors taking the elevator. At the library, out of the 5,613 people who entered, 63% of the students chose to take the stairs, while 37% chose to take the elevator. Even though it was nice to observe the students taking the stairs, it was hard to believe that those taking the elevator would actually wait 2 to 3 minutes for elevator doors to open. Some of these students were even athletes and dressed as if they had just finished a workout at the gym. Quite a portion of these counts were people who were handicapped and in a wheelchair, with crutches or with a brace, so these people really don't have a choice. Although there was one girl with crutches who surprisingly took the stairs. But overall, when we add all the numbers up, Peters and the library, about 63% of people in our observation took the stairs and 37% took the elevator. Just by looking at these numbers, we could assume that 63% may reflect those who implement healthy choices in their daily lifestyle, while 37% may reflect those who do not. If these people who represent the 37% continue to make these kinds of choices, then they will be lacking the exercise that one could get in everyday activities and therefore are most likely to suffer from chronic disease that may develop in future years. Thank you.